This is part one of the experiment where we're keeping the length of the wire constant throughout the entire part of the experiment. The length of the wire that we're using for this part of the experiment is 8.4 centimeters. Right now you can see that the wire is not in between the poles of the magnet. What I want to do right now is put it down in between the poles and make sure that it's not touching either pole of the magnet. Right now the scale is reading 0.01 grams. I want to zero that so that it reads 0.00 grams when I have a current on my power supply of 0.00 amps. I'm going to do trial number one right now by changing the current. I'm going to increase it just a little bit here. You can see that I've got it now as, I want to get it to a stable amount. Doesn't really matter what the value is. 0.11 amps. So this is trial number one where my current is 0.11 amps. And the mass that the scale reads is 0.07 grams. So trial number one, you would record 0.11 amps for the current and 0.07 grams for the mass. Now remember, I'm keeping the length of the wire constant throughout this entire part of the experiment at 8.4 centimeters. So let's not change that. Rather, let's change the current to a new value. This is trial number two coming up. Let's stabilize that. If I can get a number that's stable there. .21 amps. Trial number two, the current is 0.21 amps. And you can see here on the scale that the mass is 0.15 grams. So trial number two, 0.21 amps, and the mass is 0.15 grams. For the rest of the trials, the other 8 trials, I'm not going to read them off. I'm just going to tell you what the trial number is, and you can read the values of them yourself. Trial number 3. Trial number 3 again. Let's increase the current. Trial number 4. Trial number 4 again. Trial number 5. Trial number 5 again. Trial number 6. Trial number 6 again. Trial number 7. Trial number 7 again. Trial number 8. Trial number 8 again. Trial number 9. Trial number 9 again. And last trial number 10. Trial number 10 again. That's the end of the first part of the experiment where we've changed the value of the current but kept the length of the wire constant throughout the entire thing.